buy her a new phone. You have only $500 in your pocket. Done with this slide. Going to the next awesome thing in 5 seconds. Writing code is very similar to the statement you wrote in English. Take a look at the code below. There is a code block. Look at it, there is a give me more for you. There is a explain more for you. Done with this slide. Going to the next awesome thing in 5 seconds. To see if else in action, select one value at a time as the value of the price variable and see the output. Based on your selection of the value, the output will change. Option. Please click on it to see the output. Which one is a conditional decision making? Option 1. If she replies to my 10 minutes, I will tell her I love you. Otherwise, I will propose to her grandmother. Option 2. I will watch Nicki Minaj videos on YouTube. Option 3. I eat rice. Correct answer. Well done.
Introducing बायजूस क्लासेस।
गुड आफ्टरनून।
वेलकम टू बायजूस क्लासेस।
इंडिया के बेस्ट टीचर्स बच्चों को पढ़ाएंगे, मेंटर्स डाउट सॉल्व करेंगे
ही इज गुड विद कैलकुलेशन
और वन ऑन वन पर्सनल अटेंशन भी देंगे।
थैंक यू।
हाई क्वालिटी वीडियोस तो हैं ही बायजूस ऐप पर। तो अब स्कूल के बाद सिर्फ बायजूस क्लासेस। तो आज ही ट्रायल क्लास बुक करो। डाउनलोड द बायजूस ऐप नाउ। बायजूस क्लासेस हैं, प्रोग्रेस है।
Now see how if else works. Watch multiple times and put this image in your brain. Done with this slide. Going to the next awesome thing in 5 seconds. Use if else to make a decision based on a condition. Well done. Did you notice how the replies of a comment are aligned? If you can't remember, look at the reply below. It goes a little to the right side of the actual comment. So, you can notice that it's a reply to that comment. I got a code block, please try it to have. All other comments don't get indented. The same thing is true in coding. If something is under something else, you will need to indent it. In the code below, you want to execute the third line when the if condition is true. If you don't indent the line, you will get an indentation error. I got a code block, please try it to have fun. If you have multiple lines inside the if block, all the lines will need to be indented. Why indentation is needed? Option 1. To get attention. Option 2. Take a shower. Option 3. Correct answer. Indent the code inside an if block. Well done. To compare something smaller or less than, use the less than sign, less than. To compare greater than, use the greater than sign, greater than. And to compare exact equal, use two equal signs equals smiley face. Done with this slide. If you are purchasing a dozen bananas, you want to have exactly 12 bananas. I got a 3 option. Please click on it to see the output. You can use double equal to compare strings as well. Select any value to see an output. After seeing the output, take a minute to think, why is it showing this output? I got a 3 option. Please click on it to see the output. You can compare a variable with another variable as well. I got a code block, please try it to have fun. Done with this slide. Going to the next awesome thing. Which symbol will you write to compare whether one variable is exactly equal to another? Option 1. Equals correct answer. Well done. Don't get confused with single equal and double equals. Sometimes if you want to compare not equal, smiley face. For example, if the playing team is not Barcelona, you will sleep. Otherwise, you will watch the match. There is a code block. Look at use equals equals to Well done. One day Tom and Jerry went outside for a walk. The company next door has a job opening. Done with this slide. Tom, being a little greedy, said, if the salary is more than $5,000 and offers more than 40 days of vacation, then he will accept the job. Otherwise, Tom will give this job to Jerry. In this case, Tom gave two conditions. 1. Salary has to be more than 5,000. In the first line of an if-else you can put a keyword in between two conditions. When in the code below, the first condition is satisfied. Salary is more than 5,000. However, the second condition is not fulfilled. That's why the code will give output from the else part. I got a code block, please try it to have fun. Done with this slide. Going to the next awesome thing in 5 seconds. Now change the value of the salary and see the output. While seeing the output, try to think why the code is giving the result. Think logically. And this will help you to build a habit to think like a programmer. Now change the value of the vacation_days and see the output. Don't forget to think about why the code is giving you the output you are seeing. I got a 3 option. Please click on it to see the Which keyword should you use to fulfill both conditions in the if statement below? I got a run button. Please click on it to see the output. When fulfilling all conditions, well done. I got an pizza for you. I mean an pizza game for you. Let's play. I got an pizza for you. I mean an pizza game for you. Congratulations. You have seen the print command 1,000 times, and you variables were a string type variable has to be inside two single quotes or two double quotes. A Boolean type variable value will be. You have used the input keyword to take input from a user. While taking input, you can add extra text to provide a hint to the user. I got a run button. Please click on it to see the output. At the time of taking user input as a number. You will have to use int or float to convert the user input to a number. I got a run button. Please click on it to see the output. You also became a math ninja. You know how to use plus, asterisk, percent to do simple math operations of numbers or variables. You use the plus sign plus to add strings. Also, you will use the plus sign to join. While using this app, you have made a lot of decisions based on condition. Most of the times you have used if else. And now you know. Code under if will be executed if the condition after if is. Well done. Becoming a programmer is a journey. We are just making it fun. Done with this slide. Going to the next awesome thing. After finishing the basic concepts, you should conquer the fundamental concepts. 1. List. 2. For loop. 3. While loop. 4. Function. To have fun and show off your creativity, you should build at least one game from scratch. We will release 3 real-world projects in July. So, stay tuned for this. 1. Space shooting game. 2. Simple car race. 3. Olympic run. Done with this slide. Going to the next awesome thing in 5 seconds. As a hero, you will be organized. And to organize data while coding, you will master the data structure Galaxy 1. Stack. 2. Queue. 3. Dictionary, hash table. 4. Linked list. 5. Heroes are always in the top class. Hence you will be skilled in object, class, and OOP. 1. Object. 2. Class. Expert superheroes are efficient. They master the fastest way to punch. The algorithm Galaxy will build your skill for efficient coding. 1. Linear search. 2. Binary. Check out the real-world problem-solving Galaxy. We have coding problems, multiple solutions, explanation, etc. there. It is very important to practice coding. Our next big mission is to add web development bootcamp for absolute beginners. Then we will work on app development bootcamp, Java, Kotlin, machine learning bootcamp, Python, TensorFlow, college code. We are also working with our awesome volunteers to translate Programming Hero in other languages like Portuguese, Arabic, Bengali, Chinese, Spanish, Hindi, etc. Done with this slide. Going to